Okay, good morning. Good morning, students. The first chapters in the second year, the one of the chapter electric charge and field. So before going to the topic, we learned what is electricity and what is the different types of electricity and where the word electricity comes under physics. So the electricity So it is one of the branch of physics which deals with the study of electric charges. So it is one of the branch of physics which deals with study of charges, study of electric charges at rest or in the case of motion. So it can be divided into two parts. One is electrostatics or static electricity. One is electrostatic or static electricity, and other one is current electricity or electrodynamics current electricity. So in electrostatics, so it is one of the branch of also physics which deals with the study of charges at rest. So the topic electrostatic means static. So we have to learn the rest particles. So static means we have to study the rest particles properties. So electrostatic means it is one of the branch of physics which deals with the study of charges at rest. So there are two types of electricity. One is electrostatic or static electricity and another one is current electricity. In static means, so in the mechanics we learned in the first year, static means we have to study the rest particle properties. So electrostatic means we have to study the charges at rest, the rest charges, how it going under electricity, and charges properties, charges at rest. And the next one, current electricity. Current electricity means study of, so it is one of the branch of physics which deals with the study of charges in case of motion. Charges in motion. So what is electricity? So it is one of the branch of physics which deals with the particle study of charges in the case of rest motion or in the case of rest or in the case of motion. So there are two types. One is electrostatics or static electricity and another one is current electricity. So electrostatic means the study of charge. So it is one of the branch of physics which deals with the study of charges at rest, and current electricity means so it is one of the branch of physics which deals with the study of charges in motion. So these are the topic coming under electricity. So the next one, where the electricity coming and what is the history of or historical development of the electricity. So historical development of the electricity, where the electricity coming under and what is the base of electricity. So one of the Greek scientists, is named the Thales of Miletus in the year 600 BC. So he was discovered that when amber, so it is one of the material, amber means it is one of the material that comes in the seashore, so it is one of the hard material that comes in the seashore. So one of the Greek scientist Thales of Miletus in the year 600 BC was discovered that when amber rubbed with fur, so fur means you all know that what is fur, so it is one of the kind of wool. So when amber rubbed with fur, when amber So imagine this is amber and this is fur. When amber rubbed with fur, so what happens? The amber acquires some of the properties of attracting properties of fur. So there are light objects and heavy objects present in fur. When amber rubbed with or fur rubbed with amber, so amber acquires some of the properties of properties of attracting light objects, like, so if the dust particle present in the fur, so it can be absorbed or it can be acquires amber. So what is the meaning of that? When amber rubbed with fur, so amber acquires, it means amber absorb or attract some of the dust particle present in fur. Some of the dust particle present in fur. So amber rubbed with fur, it attracts light particles, attract light objects. So light objects like dust or some particles. So it is the invention or a discovery of where the electricity coming in the historical year. So one of the Greek scientists, Thales of Miletus, he was discovered when amber rubbed with fur, amber attracts or acquires some of the light objects present in fur, like dust particles or like or lint or some light feather, etc. So it is the first invention that coming under the topic electricity. So it is one of the first invention that coming under the topic electricity, feather, etc. So after the year, the another scientist, William Gilbert, so after some of the decades or some of the year goes on, the another scientist, William Gilbert, so he made a systematic study of these assumption of the Thales of Miletus. So it is one of the assumption of the Thales of Miletus. When amber rubbed with fur, it acquires or it will attract some of the particles present in fur. The particles like lint, light feather or some dust particles. So after decades or after some year, William Gilbert studied a systematic method to study on this phenomenon. And so after the year, William Gilbert studied this assumption of Thales of Miletus. He was explained that not only amber acquires these properties, some other material or some other substance behave like this manner when they rubbed with some other suitable material. Not only, so what is the assumption of William Gilbert? So he was observed a systematic method of this assumption of Thales of Miletus, and finally he give the some result. Not only amber acquires some dust particles, so there is some materials also present on the earth. There are some substance which also behave like this manner when it is rubbed with some suitable substance. Some substance behave this manner, this property, when it reach some suitable other substance. So this phenomenon is called as electrification. So what is the assumption of William Gilbert? Not only amber rubbed with fur acquires some dust particles, there is some substance also present, some material also present on the earth that is behave like amber when it acquires some other suitable substance near to it. So this method or this phenomenon is called as electrification. So this is the first term. So it is the first term that is explain the properties of electricity, electrification. So he introduced the word electrification or electricity. Electrification or electricity. So it is the Greek word. So electricity coming under Greek word electron. Greek word electron. So where the word electricity coming? So it is one of the Greek word, the electron. It means the amber. So the word itself explained, electricity itself explained when amber or some other substance rubbed with some suitable material, it acquires some of the material each together. So this is the property, or this is the phenomenon of electrification. So electron means amber. So electron means amber. So it is the historical development of electricity or electrification.